I'm here in Palmdale, Florida at the Gaskin Cypress Knee Museum that's been abandoned. You can see here that this is the structure that's left. We'll take a quick tour. Looks like these are the old bathrooms. You come in here. Let's see, we got, looks like a kitchen. Come over in here. Some things like a living room. Interesting, an outbuilding. Let's come over here and take a look. Looks like this is a breezeway. Ah, there's the museum. Yes. Oh, such a shame. Could be a beautiful place in here. Look at that. This must have been where they kept the cypress knees. You can see here that it's quite big. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. Wow. Be a pretty cool structure to resurrect this. A lot of glass here. Oh, and then there's a giant cypress tree in the middle. You can see it there. It's pretty neat. Bet this was a really cool place back in the day. Oh, there you go. You can see the giant cypress tree here in the middle. There must have been a pond in here. It's pretty cool. And then out back here must have been the parking area. This must have been where you bought your tickets. So it's pretty cool. So I hope that you liked this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.